Good day, good people. Welcome to our school, the Mathematics in Statuna Sandy. In today's tutorial, we want to look at the multiplication of complex numbers with real numbers. And we are going to be using those 3 examples as our practice questions. Sangatitange in example number 1. Example 1 yakati, if z is equal to 5 plus 3i, express 4z in the form x plus yi. Saka taudzwa kuti z iri equal to 5 plus 3i. Ndobva tanzi tiexpress 4z in the form x plus yi. Saka kuti 4z zvinoreva kuti 4 times z, which is 4 times chi 5 plus 3i, which is then equal to, tino multiply the real number part with the real number part. Saka maexpandero kana kuti marimuviro atinoita mabrackets apa akangofanana neatinoita in algebra. 4 times 5 20 plus 4 times 3 that is 12. Saka pa is 12i, and this is going to be our final answer. Kana tatodaiso tatopedza. Let us go to our second example. Example number 2. Number 2 yati, if z1 is equal to 8 plus 4i and z2 is equal to 7 plus 5i, express 3z1 plus 2z2 in the form x plus yi. Saka patabatanidza the multiplication of complex numbers with real numbers ne the addition of complex numbers. So taudzwa kuti z1 is equal to 8 plus 4i, tikaudzwa kuti z2 is equal to 7 plus 5i, takuchinzi tiexpress 3z1 plus 2z2, which of course is going to be equal to 3 multiplying z1, which is 8 plus 4i, plus 2 multiplying z2, which is 7 plus 5i. So this is equal to 8, 16, 24. What is 3 times 4i? 4, 8, 12. So it's plus 12i, plus 2 times 7, 14, plus 2 times 5i, that's 10i. Then this is equal to, then we collect like terms, of course, 24 plus 14 plus 12i plus 10i. Saka 24 plus 14, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 38 plus 2 plus 0, that's 2, 1 plus 1, that's 2, 22i. This is our final answer. So tatopedza number 2. Let us now go to number 3. Number 3 yakati, if z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i and z2 is equal to 7 plus 5i, express 5z1 plus 3z2 in the form x plus yi. Saka 5z1 minus 3z2 is going to be equal to 5 multiplying z1, that's 3 plus 4i, subtracting 3 multiplying z2, which is 7 plus 5i. So this becomes 5 times 3 is 15 plus 5 times 4i, that's 20i, minus 3 times 7, 7, 14, 21, then minus 3 times 5, that's minus 15i, like that. So this then becomes, after collecting like terms, 15 minus 21, that is minus 6, and 20i minus 15i, that is plus 5i. This is our final answer. Saka zvatinongoita maremovero atinoita mabrackets in simple algebra ndo atinongoita even kuma complex numbers, and we have demonstrated with these 3 practice questions. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comments. If you want to join our school, the Methap Mathematics and Start on Ascendi, WhatsApp us on +263 71 521 3310. Kana muri mu Zimbabwe, it's just 071 521 3310. Take care and have a nice day.